This video will show you how to remove the stock front bumper on all 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs.
To begin this installation, we're going to need to remove our factory bumper. We're going to begin with the air dam underneath. There's a series of pop clips that we'll have to use a screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool, and there's 2 screws that we're going to use an 8mm socket for. All right, so we have 8 of these push pins all the way across the bottom. We're going to just take and pop the center out, and that's going to release that clip. So once you get the last screw out of the bottom, you're ready to pull the whole shield off. So next we're going to take off this metal shield using a 16mm socket. You're going to have 1 bolt on either side. After you get those bolts off, you can lift this up and it'll slide right off. So next we're going to unplug our fog light harness. It's located here on the passenger side frame rail. We're just going to press this tab in. And then we can disconnect our plug. So after we have our fog light harness unplugged, you're ready to remove the 4 nuts on both ends of the frame rail. We're going to use an 18mm socket to do this. So the last thing to disconnect before we pull our bumper off, there's going to be 2 push pins, 1 on either side on the top of the frame rail. We'll need to pop those out with a screwdriver, and then we can pull our bumper off. With everything disconnected, you can remove your stock bumper.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.